All right, y'all. Here we got 2019 Tundra, and I just bought this thing, and it didn't seem like it was being taken care of very well. So I'm going to show you what caused this problem and then the fix. So this one, they had a rough country aftermarket cold air intake and they never cleaned out the air filter. So I cleaned it off, but I think it clogged up the exhaust, because when I took these out, the check engine light came on, or like yeah, so these two sensors, you look at them, these are the upstream O2 sensors, and you can see there's all this just crud all over them. So I've already changed them out, but I'm going to show you all the code, what it looks like, and show you how to clear it out. So the code's still there, you can see it. It's just like a little code reader, like 20 bucks on eBay. We'll wait for it to connect. You should still be able to see the code in there. Now what a lot of people do is they disconnect the battery, but if you get one of these, you can reset the computer. So read codes. So this is the one. All right, so now I'm going to erase them. You can see the check engine light went off. And now I'm going to show you where those two sensors were. So now originally I was only getting a Cat 1 error. So we'll see if it's also going to make me change the Cat 2. So number one, the downstream filters are right here. There's number one, and number two, those are the downstream sensors, and then the upstream are right here under the by the oil pan, by the bell housing. So I went and changed those out, cleared out. That should fix my issue.